Hi everyone, welcome to the Math Homework channel, and today we're gonna cover the complex number. So complex number, there's three problems here. Alright, it said find the real part, imaginary part, and the conjugate. So the real part here is we have the real part and we have the imaginary part. So the real part is 4, that's real, and imaginary part is minus 6i, and the conjugate, basically it's, you say 4 plus 6i. You just change the sign. That's the conjugate for this one. How about this one? So there's no real part here, there's no real part, so the real part is 0, and the imaginary part is not minus 2 pi I, and the conjugate is 2 pi I. Alright, for this one, the real part is 4, and the imaginary part is minus square root of 7, I square root of 7, and the conjugate is 4 plus I square root of 7. There you go, and that's how you differentiate between the real part and the imaginary part. And we call all this as a complex number because it consists of two things, real and imaginary part. Okay, the second part. Perform the indicated operation and write each answer in a standard form. So let's simplify this. So it will be 4 plus I plus 5 plus 3i. So 4 plus 5, this is 9, and I plus 3i, that's 4i. And that's the form. So you have your real part and you have your imaginary part. That's the form. Okay, this one we wanna the formal indicated operation. So we wanna simplify. The first step we do, we multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, which is 2 plus I over 2 plus I. Alright, and then we simplify, so this would be equal. So we have this. So it will be 3. Either way to do it, you can say 3 times 2 plus I minus 5I times 2 plus I. This is I. Over 2 times 2 plus I minus I times 2 plus I. Okay. Now let's complete it. So this is equal. You can use this here. So 3 times 2, this is 6 plus 3i minus 5i times 2, that's 10i, minus 5i times I, that's I squared, which is negative 1, so this is plus 5 over. So we have I times I, which is equal I squared, which is equal to negative 1. That's so. Alright. 2 times 2, this is 4 plus 2i minus 2i minus I squared, which is I squared, we said it's -1, so minus minus 1, that's a plus 1. Okay, so now we have 6 plus 5, that's 11, and then minus 3i minus 10i, that's minus 7i, over, this will cancel out, 4 times 1 is 5. Simplify that one even more, so it will be 11 over 5 minus 7 over 5i. So that's gonna be, you can even simplify it more if you want. So this way, 11 over 5, that's 2.2 minus 1.4i. So that's your imaginary part and that's your real part. There you go. That's how you multiply the imaginary, the complex number.